కొట్టండి ప్లీజ్. యాక్చువల్లీ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడానికి వచ్చారు కదా, 22 నుంచి స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి, కాంపిటీషన్స్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం. ఆ రోజు నుంచి ఇంత కనిపించుంటుంటే జనాలు మీకు అర్థమయ్యేది పిల్లలు ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారో, ఎంత ఎంజాయ్ చేశారో. అందుకే గట్టిగా క్లాప్స్ కొట్టలేకపోతున్నారు మీరు. This significant day is marked to spread awareness about physical activity, sports and overall health. It is celebrated in academic institutions and sports academies. But from this year, we are also going to celebrate the sports day event in AFT2. Okay. Sports day is celebrated on 29th August actually. To pay a tribute to phenomenal hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. ఇది నేను ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే స్పోర్ట్స్ డే పెట్టేసాము, ఎంజాయ్ చేసేసాము, బట్ స్పోర్ట్స్ డే ఎప్పుడు సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తారు, దాన్ని ఎవరికి ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయడానికి సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తారు అని నాకు తెలిసి మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద మన కిడ్స్కి తెలీదు. అందుకనే చెప్తున్నాను, మేజర్ ధ్యాన్ చంద్ గారికి ట్రిబ్యూట్ కోసం అని చెప్పి చేస్తారు. అండ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ వన్ మెనీ ఒలింపిక్ గోల్డ్ మెడల్స్ ఫర్ ఇండియా. There are many uses of playing sports and games, right? Yeah. Like it improves academic excellence, reduce risk of obesity, reduce stress. It teaches mental and physical discipline. It also improves leadership skills and reduces the risk of heart diseases. Let us start our today's program with a welcome song by Kiranmai, Sasi and Lalita Garu. Please welcome them.
ముగ్గురున్నారు కదా దగ్గర పెట్టలేదు. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं
पिల్లలు మీరు రెడీ
ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात। आशाएं 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 लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाएगा अपना राग राग। आशाएं 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 कुछ ऐसा करके लिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा। आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी।
let me take this golden opportunity to invite our chief guest, Captain Gopalakrishna Garu, to speak a few words.
Good evening, young stars of KFC. You're all young stars. Ladies and gentlemen, I consider it my privilege and honor to be able to address this gathering today on the occasion of AFT Annual Sports Meet. Chaitanya Garu had already mentioned that from this year on, we are going to celebrate this every year. I think that's a wonderful initiative that has been taken. Sports is all about excitement, drama, a lot of hard work, dedication, perseverance.
Can you get your own chair?
Inspiration, leadership, competition. More than anything else, it's about those incredible moments where sheer human will and desire overcome all odds. It's not about winning or losing. It's more about competing with yourself, getting better and better with every attempt. That is what it is all about. Ernie Banks, a famous baseball player, had once said, the only way to prove that you are a good sport is to lose. You know, in sport, losing is as important as winning. It's not always winning. Losing teaches you to pick yourself up. As I say, it's not whether you get knocked down. Knocked down you will when you play sport, or when you are involved in physical activity, you do get knocked down. What is important is whether you get up. Pull yourself up and press on. I'd like to tell you that your greatest asset is not your physical ability. In sports especially, it is not your physical ability, it is your mental ability that matters. I can give you my personal example. When I went for my service selection board in the year 87, the first task that was there was a physical task where I had to cross. There were 10 hurdles, 10 events, 10 physical activities which I had to clear to go to the next round. Now, these 10 activities involved jumping over drums which had barbed wires around them, hanging onto a rope, jumping and hanging onto a rope and then crossing a deep pit. If you fall, you get grievously injured. Running over crossbars, climbing nets, net ladders. There were 10 events and 10 minutes was the time given to you. And you had to clear a minimum of 7 to qualify to the next round. And believe me, I was grossly underweight when I went for my service selection board. I was 48, all of 48 kilos as a graduate engineer. And I was this lanky, thin, slim lad who nobody gave a chance that I would clear the first round. And believe you me, I had nothing to lose and everything to gain. And by the time the 10 minutes the clock struck 10, and I had finished 8 rounds, 8 hurdles, and I was on my 9th on the Burma Bridge. The kind of confidence that it gave me is phenomenal, and I think that is what helped me throughout my life or my career in the Navy. Believe me, it's all in your mind. It's not your physical ability, as I said, it's your mental strength, your mental ability that pushes you through, pulls you through. Can you believe that I had done hundreds of push-ups at a stretch in the academy? Would you believe it if I said that? I did more than 300 push-ups at a stretch. We had something called a camp, a marching camp, where we have our rucksacks on our shoulders with stones filled in them, and we had to walk through the night, half asleep. We have something called a buddy system, where we hold each other's hand, and one chap is sleeping while the other is leading the way. And with a rucksack behind us, we are marching through marshes, stones, rocky terrain, whatnot, jungle. And this goes on through the night. It basically proves to us in the service that it's all in the mind. The endurance that you can go through, your body can go through, is just a play of your mind. This is done to ensure that when you are taken as a prisoner of war, and when they torture you, you don't give away the secrets or the plans of your army or navy or air force. I just wanted to give you this example to tell you that it's all in the mind, not in your body. Nobody, none of you, I'm sure, when you look at me, can believe that I could endure all that. I could do all that. The same goes to you all. It's all in your mind. You decide that you want to do it, you can do it. To build and improve your mental ability, there's nothing better than sports or physical activity. See, it's like I don't know whether I can call it a catch-22, but your mental health or mental ability is linked with your physical well-being. So you need to keep yourself fit, and nothing better than sports for that. Every child should pick up at least one sport. This is what I would suggest to all the young stars here. Pick up a sport. That which inspires you, that which you like, that which you enjoy most. It's very important that you enjoy the sport that you pick. Be it cricket, be it football, be it hockey, let it be any sport, it doesn't matter. But not that I would say that chess or other indoor sports are not sports, but they have their own limitations as far as building up your physical ability or your physical health is concerned. So I would suggest that all of you pick up some sport or the other, and I would request the parents to encourage their children to pick up sports. Persistence, or rather I would say that there may be many people who are more talented than you, but there is no excuse for anyone to work harder than you do. Persistence can change failure into extraordinary achievement. The difference between the impossible and the possible lies in your determination. I am so glad the Cultural Committee has taken the initiative to organize this sports meet. The efforts put in by Kalyani Garu, Chaitanya Garu and all the committee members is really commendable. I congratulate them and of course all the residents, more so the participants and the winners. I wish and hope this initiative inspires one and all and more participation from all the residents and builds up healthy competition, which in my opinion is critical for healthy growth. Lastly, I would like to say, to uncover your true potential, you must find your own limits and then have the courage to go past them. Thank you.
A song performance by Teja. Teja, please come here.
Umra, you got?
Thank you. Can't come back. కొండలలో నెలకొన్న కోనేటి రాయడు వాడు కొండలంత వరములు గూపెడు వాడు కొండలలో నెలకొన్న కోనేటి రాయడు వాడు కొండలంత వరములు గూపెడు వాడు నెలకొన్న రాయడు వాడు చక్రవర్తి రమ్మన్న చోటికి వచ్చి నమ్మినవాడు కొండలలో నెలకొన్న రాయడు వాడు నందవరములు గూపెడు వాడు కొండలలో నెలకొన్న రాయడు వాడు అచపు వేడుకతోన అనంతాలు వాడికి ముసలి వెతికినవాడు అచపు వేడుకతోన అనంతాలు వాడికి ముసలి వెతికినవాడు పాలించినవాడు ఎప్పుడైనా వెంకటేశుడు వెంకటేశుడు మనలను మంచివాడై కరుణ పాలించినవాడు రాయుడువాడు కొండలంత వరములు కోరెడువాడు పలుకే బంగారామాయణ బంగారామాయణ కోదండ పాని పలుకే బంగారామాయణ బంగారామాయి పిలచిన పలుకావేమి పలుకే బంగారామాయి పిలచిన పలుకావేమి తండ్రి పలుకి బంగారామాయణ కోదండ పాని పలుకే బంగారామాయణ పాలోన రడీనా ఉడతా భక్తికి పాలోన పురాణీనా ఉడతా భక్తికి అనంచి భద్రాచల అనంగినే తండ్రి పలుకి బంగారామాయణ తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారామాయణ పలుకే బంగారామాయణ కోదండ పాని పలుకే బంగారామాయణ అన్నాకి తుడుగుదావన సత్రాన అనాని తుడుగుదావన అనంచి భద్రాచల పలుకే బంగారామాయణ కోదండ పాని పలుకే బంగారామాయణ.
One more big round of applause to Teja. One more talented kid got her name in AFT Star Kids list from now on. Thank you, Teja. Okay, now I think one more performance by no one. The most awaited, important and most favorite part of this program is prizes distribution. I request our chief guest Captain Gopal Krishna Garu to please come and felicitate our prize winners. I also request Parvati Garu, Dr. Parvati Garu to please come on to the dais. First relay race winners G. Rachita, please come on to the dais. A. Manas, Atili Manas, S. Aman, B. Ayush. Please come on to the dais, kids. Thank you. These are relay race winners. Congratulations, kids. Thank you, Parvati Garu, Dr. Parvati Garu. I would like to request her to speak a few words.
ఫోటో క్లిక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం అంటే ఎవరైతే గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా వాళ్ళకి ఫోటోస్ క్లిక్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే ట్రై ఫోటో క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఫోటో ఉంటుంది.
మీకు స్పోర్ట్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా యాక్టివిటీస్ లేక ఈ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుందని మేము డాక్టర్స్ అనుకుంటున్నాం. మీ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ చాలా చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది. మీరు ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మీడియాతోనే ఎక్కువ ఉంటున్నారు. మీరు అవుట్ సైడ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఆడట్లేదు. ఇదంతా జంక్ ఫుడ్ తింటున్నారు. ఇంట్లో ఫుడ్ మీకు ఎవరికి నచ్చట్లేదు. మన ఓల్డ్ ట్రెడిషన్ అయితే పోస్ట్ అండ్ హెల్తీ. విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
Next winners for chess competition below 10. First prize goes to B. Hanishika. I also request Sudhanti to please come and felicitate the kid.
Why are you not able to click a photograph? You don't have to.
I did.
Now
20 seconds నుంచి literally every day evening అందరి kids తోటి బాగా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యాం మేము. ఒక్కొక్క kid కి యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక్కొక్క సూపర్ టాలెంట్ ఉంది. మేము చూసినంత వరకు ఈజ్ అ వెరీ క్రియేటివ్ kid.
click a photograph.
Red thing, it should be lowered.
I also like to call Girija aunty to the desk.
రాట్లేదా ఫోటో రాట్లేదా?
He showed it the photo.
Okay.
It's on Minecraft level 5. It's a normal. Give your phone take photos to this thing. Yeah, I'll take photos to this. Okay, but
Thank you, Nikhil.
yeah, there you go.
Second prize goes to B. Ayush. Congratulations. Ayush is a pleasant
Got it.
kid.
Got it, right?
Smiling, cheerful.
So until the capture is there, it will capture a photograph.
Thank you, Girija aunty.
I'll go again. I'll go again.
Next running race. I would like to request Lakshmi Garu to please come on to the desk.
Photos వస్తున్నాయి కదా? Sure, right?
Below 5 category, first prize goes to Vayun Vajrabahu B.
From here, go somewhere else.
Congratulations.
This way. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You came. You came.
A lot. He's almost as fast as me. Oh.
Second prize winner, K. Jyotsna.
Come on, that's good.
You're coming.
Below 10 category, first prize goes to G. Akhil.
Auntie. Sorry, sir.
Very good, Shendra.
Second prize goes to B. Hanashika.
Well, dude. You control this, okay? I'm not giving you.
Second prize goes to A. Manas. For lemon and spoon competition, below 10 category, first prize goes to Archit Paul. Second prize goes to B. Ayush.
Sa
Gopal Krishna Garu and Prapurna Garu to please come on to the dais. Please welcome them.
Don't come.
Volleyball 2 teams లో విన్ అయిన టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ ని నేను ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తాను. ప్లీజ్ కమ్ హియర్.
No.
First winner Bittu. Subbarao garu, Lakshmi garu,
Don't come.
Satvika,
Excuse me.
S. Aman,
Hello. Please move.
Among,
Excuse me. Please move. Tell her to move.
Tejas.
Move. Don't come.
Please welcome them.
Take their certificates too. On the photograph, you have your certificate in front of you. Don't shake.
వాళ్ళతో మంచి rolling sheet. First participant, winner. Participants ని winners ని పిలవడానికి ముందు Sir, again, Gopal Krishna Garu, please come on to the dais. And Mani Garu, I request Mani Garu also to come and felicitate the winners. Mani Garu చూస్తే తెలిసింది అనుకుంటా మీకు. ఇది పిల్లలందరూ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత మన క్లబ్ హౌస్ లో అరేంజ్ చేస్తారు, డిస్ప్లేకి పెడతారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ విన్నర్స్ కి మళ్ళీ గిఫ్ట్ చేయబడతాయి. అండ్ విన్నర్స్ ఆర్ రాచిక,
Uncle.
Mahesh,
Bye bye.
Adarsh, Chitraj, Ravi, Chitraj,
Bring it here. దగ్గర పెట్టారు.
Satvika, Satvika, Ayush, Mahi, Aman, S. Aman, వీళ్ళ కబడ్డీ మ్యాచ్ చూడవలసింది. అసలు నిజంగా మేము చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ డెఫినెట్లీ మళ్ళీ కబడ్డీ కాంపిటీషన్స్ ఉంటాయి.
Oh, God.
25%, 30% అయింది మీ దాంట్లో. ఇంకా టైం ఉందా మీకు? అయిపోతున్నాయా?
Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you. Thank you, Mani Garu. Thank you so much.